Good morning students. I am Vaishali Hazare. Today I am going to teach you subject History and Civics. Standard 8 Lesson number 2 Europe and India. Last period we have learned about period of Renaissance, religious reform movement, geographical discovery, some information about Leonardo da Vinci and Gutenberg. Now, in this period, we are going to learn about Age of Revolutions. Rapid changes in the political, social, religious and economic field of a society are termed as revolution. A period in which such changes occur is known as the Age of Revolution. In that time, people were under the influence of the priest. People had to accept whatever they preach. The sermons of the priest were the main source of knowledge for the people. Like the priest, members of royal family, the nobles and the lords also had a lot of importance in the society. This situation in Europe slowly changed in the latter period with the process of intellectual awakening. People realized that every man had value as an individual and the feeling of common man were as important as those of the priests, lords and noblemen. People understood that one should accept only what appeals to reason. This intellectual awakening is called intellectual revolution in Europe. Due to the changes during the Renaissance period, Europe proceeded from medieval to modern age. Intellectual revolutions took place in the same period. The society starts stepping out of the past ignorance and blind faith. The pre-established customs and traditions came to be seen from a critical point of view. All these changes are addressed as intellectual revolution. Revolution which gave further momentum to scientific discovery in Europe. Revolution in political sphere. In the early stage of beginning of modern period in Europe, many political changes took place. Due to the various revolutionary events during 18th as well as 19th century, this period is known as the Age of Revolutions. During this period, there was development of parliamentary democracy in England. There was a change in the form of cabinet system. The Bill of Rights 1689 laid limitation on the power of the king. The sovereignty of parliament was established. American War of Independence. With the background of revolutionary development in Europe, it is equally important to think about the American War of Independence. Due to Amerigo Vespucci led to the discovery of the continent of America. Thereafter, people from European countries occupy various regions of this new land. The people of England to establish their colonies in America. England established 13 colonies on the east coast of America. Initially, England had nominal domination over these colonies, but later English Parliament laid oppressive restrictions and taxes on these American colonies. The people in America revolted against it England declared war to suppress these colonies. American colonies organized the army under the leadership of George Washington and finally won against England. This event is known as American War of Independence. A new nation known as the United States of America with a federal government, written constitution and based on a principle of democracy was born. French Revolution. In 1789 AD, the people of France revolted against the uncontrolled and unjust monarchy and feudalism and established a republic. This event is known as French Revolution. The French Revolution gave to the world the three values of liberty, equality, and fraternity. The world history among the political revolution, the American War of Independence and French Revolution have a very important place.